Hiya, welcome back to Makeup and Metaphors with me, Anya. We've got a little bit of a different video today. Today I'm going to be talking about how I got my hair just last week from that really dark, almost black colour to this colour here. And then I'm actually going to dye my hair grey using this here, Colorista Permanent Gel. The reason why I've made a video is because I've actually looked for reviews for this on YouTube and I cannot find this dark grey smoky colour at all. They only have the silver colour, which I don't want. I want to go grey because I am going grey. Literally, I was checking my hair a few weeks ago and there's actually white bits, not even grey, white and grey coming out the side here. So I thought I'd beat it to it and try and look stylishly grey before I look old grey. So if you know me outside the world of YouTube, you know that I'm absolutely no stranger to dyeing my hair. I've been dyeing my hair since I was in 6th class, which is like year 6 in the UK. About maybe 12, 13, I got my first highlights, and ever since then my hair has been every colour under the rainbow. It's been pink, it's been half black, half purple, it's been blue, it was green for quite a substantial amount of time, it's been blonde on and off, it's been red a heap of times, and it's been brown. And the reason why it was brown most recently was because I was supposed to be getting married this August, but you know, Miss Rona decided to stamp her feet and cancel that, so thanks. So no wedding. So I have and it's now scheduled for next year on around the same date, so now I have a whole year and a bit to kind of play with my hair again. So we trimmed it last night with a razor, myself and my fiance. Probably not the smartest thing to do, but when in quarantine. So before I actually dye my hair, I'm going to tell you how I got my hair to this level without too much damage. As you can see, there is still a little bit of shine on it, but obviously when you bleach it, it does damage your hair. So the first thing I did was I stripped my hair 3 times. I used Colour Before twice, and then I used the NXT. It's a like a hairdressing brand that I got from a friend who is a hairdresser. I used the Colour Before Extra Strength because obviously there was a lot of buildup of black and brown pigments in my hair as I've been dyeing it for about a year and a half in preparation for the wedding. There was red pigments under the black and brown. So even when I had gotten the brown stripped out, the red pigments were really in there and didn't want to come out. And I had used Schwarzkopf, which I have read really bonds with your hair, especially if you straighten over it, the heat almost kind of melts them together. So I stripped my hair 3 times, and then in between I was washing it with washing up liquid, which really strips all of the colour out of your hair and the oil, and my hair was feeling awful after it, but my hair was fading and fading and fading. I'll pop a picture of after I stripped it 3 times around here. Now we can move on to the exciting and terrifying part, that was the bleach. So I bought some 20 volume toner, some Rapid True Lights bleach. I bought both of these on Amazon Prime. They like arrived the next day. Not great for people like me that make rash decisions. So I followed Brad Mondo's guide to how to bleach your hair. So he showed you how to section it properly and how to bleach it properly, and I think that was a bit of a lifesaver because I've definitely been doing it wrong my whole life. But the main thing you need to remember when you bleach your hair is to do the roots last. So I actually did 3 separate lots of bleach. So I bleached my ends and mids twice and didn't touch my roots at all. And then when I could see the bits that were still quite dark and still had the roots left, because of the heat from your scalp, the bleach on your roots processes like twice as fast. So if you put it all on at once, you're going to end up with white roots and like yellowy brassy ends. So that's why I bleached the ends and the mids twice, and then I went back to do my roots and was able to paint on. You can see there is slightly bits of banding where I've painted on some bits that were darker. The grey should cover that and hopefully give it like a dimensional, more natural look. So as I said, I'm looking to be kind of a dark, naturally grey, just because my own hair is getting bits of grey coming out the sides and the temples particular. It was really obvious when my hair was brown and up that there was these like white little bits sticking out, so I wasn't too fond of that at the ripe old age of 27. So I'm gonna get stuck right in. I'm gonna just record little sections of me dyeing my hair. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to speed it up so that it make like a montage over music montage, and then there'll be a reveal. Let's hope that it's not a complete fail. Okay, so I bought 3 boxes of this in total. They're only £5 each, so hopefully that'll be good for maintenance. I bought 3 boxes because although I've cut my hair shorter, it's so thick. I do actually have a proper V shaved into the back of my head underneath as an undercut, because my hair is so thick that literally if it was laying flat it would go out at the end. because it's just thick. How many times can I say thick in a second? Wow. So hopefully 2 boxes will cover it, and then I'll have one to do touch-ups in case it's patchy. So let's see what we gotta do. Pop bottle 1 into bottle 2, shake. Done. Okay, only one more layer left, and I'm really glad I opened that second bottle because there's no way that would have covered it. Imagine if I just left it like this and had like the white going into the grey. It's not even white, it's like this horrible yellowy white. Let's take it down and see.
Two hours later.
Ta-da! This is it. This is the grey. What do we think? I think it was quite a big success, to be honest, especially seeing as I did it all on my own without any trips to the salon at all. I think that it's the perfect nice dark grey that I want to go. I didn't want to go silver. I didn't want to have it like very platinum blonde silver. I wanted it to be grey. Like and I'm not sure whether I look like an old lady or not now. I'm hoping that this that I just look like I have some stylish hair. So this is it straight. I'm gonna see if I can do it curly now. And here we have the grey hair curled. I just do a nice loose curl. I don't like anything to look too tightly curled. I think it's just a little bit vintage. It definitely looks like a wig. It has a nice shine to it. The containers of dye do come with this kind of intense conditioner. I like to keep it and just pop it at the bottoms because obviously they've taken a bit of a beating with the bleach and everything. I'll probably get a decent trim soon just to keep it healthy, but the top feels really good and nice. It has a really nice shine, especially when you curl it. I 100% do recommend this hair dye if you want to do like a natural kind of grey. I was stumped that there was absolutely no reviews on it online, so this is my review. I've done it so that you don't have to if you don't want to, or if you're looking to go kind of a nice slate natural grey, then this is exactly what I would go for. Hit subscribe, hit like, and show me a comment, see what you think. If you want to see this eye look as well, I tried to do this kind of fox eye that's in at the moment with just a little bit of pigment. Nice and easy. It's not even a cut crease, so we'll probably do that the next time that we're doing a Get Ready With Me and breaking down of a book. I hope that you have a great weekend, or have had a great weekend, and that you have a great week, that you're safe and your family is safe and healthy. I'll see you soon to talk about how my teeth have gotten on. All right, thank you, bye.